say today is the June 18th. We are at Leatherman's Cave. You see how it says cave? What's up? Say what's up, Alex?
Yo,
the crew.
We out here.
We got my man Ron. He never comes out. Show the piece. Show the piece. No, the piece. The piece.
Oh, they want the burner.
We had to come prepared tonight because there's bears and coyotes. You know what I'm saying? Just in case. We've been waiting to come here. So me and Alex came here once in the daytime and scoped it out. This is my first time here ghost hunting at nighttime, and we waited for Ron because Ron got the guns. And I saw a bear here. The very first time I came here, it was by myself. I saw a black bear. Then I came here with Alex and we saw it. Then we came here with Alex again in the winter and we saw bear tracks. And now we are here at nighttime to see if we see the ghost of Leatherman. I've been waiting for this. This is some bucket list shit for me that I've been waiting to do. Well, well, if it does, I'm still going to the fucking cave because I waited this long to do it. It took me 15 years to.
I swear to God, I saw something glowing. You see those eyes, dude? Look at that. What is that?
Was what?
Shit. You see what I'm seeing, dude?
Yeah.
I swear to God, I see something glowing up ahead. We ain't near no fucking town.
Where?
Straight ahead, dude.
Oh, that's just that's a light from the road.
Oh.
The orange light?
Yeah, I didn't think we were that.
Yeah, no, there's a stop. I see a stop sign too.
Alright.
I had a sticker on that, but somebody took it down. I'm gonna stick another one. Alright. I definitely want one of you guys to take a photo of me, if possible. Alright, so this is the cave. Will somebody film me going in?
Yeah, give me.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go and take a sip of my delicious zero sugar Snapple that I've been drinking a lot lately. Because it's... Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Alright, good. Looks like you get it up here.
What's up?
Looks like you can get it up here.
Yeah, you can get it up there too.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, it's over here, Ryan.
No, I think it's over here. Yeah, right here.
No, it's over there. We saw it come in.
Yeah, it's right here, man. Right there?
Yeah,
This is...
definitely, because there's a trail pattern on it too.
Alright, go in. You want me to lead the way? Or would you want...
Oh, that's right.
Here, here, take the light if you're going in.
Here, run. Run. Oh, this is it.
You want to go over it? You want to go over it?
You go in. We're here to go in.
Wow, this is good shit, dude. Right, guys. Check your face out of here.
A little shelter from the rain.
It's fucking wild, man. Yeah, I like this.
Leatherman's Cave at nighttime.
This is where I'm gonna come when the old lady throws me out.
Hell yeah.
Man, if you're room and board, I'm down.
I like all the little like symbols and shit. Little.
Yeah, it's trippy.
I wonder if there's snakes.
So yeah, so Leatherman, like I said, Ron, he was a transient back in, I don't know the exact dates, but I know it was like late 1800s or something like that. And he would go from place to place to place to place, and like he would do a circle from like New York to Massachusetts, stop by Connecticut, and this is one of his stops. It's known as Leatherman's Cave, and people said that they seen his ghost here. But people said that they see his ghost in New York and at a bunch of his caves. So there's a bunch of Leatherman's caves throughout the eastern United States, and a bunch of them are haunted. But, you know.
I would probably spend the night at this fucking thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. It wouldn't bother me. I tell you that wolves.
You can start a fire right here.
Yeah,
Boom.
wolves or coyotes though, like you got nowhere to go though, kind of shit. You need something. Definitely need a burner.
Hell yeah.
Or whatever he must have had at the time, spare or some shit, some type of weapon.
Yeah, I wouldn't come out here
He
unarmed.
probably had some kind of weapon on him. I mean, if he was like traveling the fucking, you know, living outside, fucking back in those days, there was probably a lot more shit than there was now, you know what I mean?
It's all natural, that man. You know, this wasn't cut. This is all natural. This wasn't drilled out or fucking fucked with. This is crazy, man. It's pretty cool shit right there.
Yeah, this is a legit fucking cave.
Oh shit. I know this dude. He tags all in New Haven.
What, like that?
The AOKE, I know who he is. I set this tag, I know him. I mean, I'm not like boys with him by any means, but
Oh, yeah, it's not
he used to tag Toad's place when I worked there. I'm like, bro, could you like not do that? I have to clean, you know what I mean? I have to fucking paint up over
Somebody
the tag.
started a fire over here. It's a badass spot to start a fire too.
I wonder how long that rock formation's been there. So I'll film. Yeah, 6 minutes. It only lasts for like 10 minutes, and then it resets, and then you gotta like put them all together. And I like hate that shit. So I would not recommend this camera at this point. But I already bought it. There's no.
I get something sparked up.
It's bad we don't have anything to like fucking. I'm gonna go check out the outside and shit. Just like I said, I only got a couple minutes. We're gonna chill for a while then. Ron, let me pop a shot.
Too close to that road, man.
Yeah.
That's where you get problems.
Why is it that loud?
Fuck yeah.
I wouldn't fire it unless we fucking absolutely have to.
That's what I feel.
Janetti just shoots shit.
Yeah, we're too liberal though. Got a cop driving by, we all pop out the wood. You gotta
Just right now, man, when shit's going on down now, man. Janae's lucky he hasn't got caught yet. He's gonna run out of time. It's too fucked up back there.
Alright, well, we're filming, so let's not talk about it.
Yeah.
Making a fire in Leatherman's cave.
Quick stuff.
Will someone take a picture of me? Is that possible? Yeah, no?
Yeah, I got you. You want me to fucking take a picture when you're done filming?
Yeah, I guess so, right?
Yeah.
I guess I could just be done filming. It's at 8.